In the heart of Kingston, Jamaica, where dancehall rules the airwaves, a new voice rose to challenge tradition and lead a new wave. His name, Alkaline. Born Earlan Bartley on December 19, 1993, Alkaline grew up in Kingston. He was a bright student at Ardenne High School, but music was his true passion. He began writing lyrics at 14, inspired by the likes of Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel. He later studied media and communication at UWI, proving that brains and artistry could go hand in hand. Alkaline emerged with a bold image, tattooed eyes, bleached hair, and a rebellious style. He quickly caught attention with tracks like Things Me Love and 123, but it was Champion Boy in 2015 that made him a household name. He was young, fearless, and unapologetically different.
How did you get started in this whole music business? Let's talk about the name first.
Who am I? Good question.
Alright.
Sometimes I don't even know myself, you know. But Alkaline is just like a charismatic youth, 19-year-old, an individual who's passionate about music. That's what I say. Yeah, I think that's the only thing in life that I care about. I think it's the only thing that is spiritual in this earth. Yeah. I sing raunchy music for the ladies. That's what I say. Also songs like to uplift the people. I have gangster lyrics because that kind of depicts who I am in real life. Yeah. Actually, I got the name Alkaline from my sister. And so I said, big up my sister. I don't really know why she gave me that name still, but kind of overall had my own meaning to the name. And so I said, because, you know, like the Alkaline battery?
Yeah.
Alkaline wasn't just an artist, he created a brand, Vendetta. A symbol of loyalty, resilience, and independence.
Explain the mask.
You know, say the Vendetta mask is like the whole Vendetta movement is like a collective name for my fans them. It started out with just the name for me and my friend them. And so I say my fans them just love it. Everybody just love the mask and the image. And so I say I would just use the Anan mask as a symbol. And so I say
Vendetta.
Yeah, because
why that word?
Why? I don't know, but just like it. I just like the idea of vendetta. So I say because watch it. I just make my own meaning to it. As vendetta, we believe in ourselves. So I say we do one thing, and nobody can really tell we how to operate. So I say we have a system of our own. You see me?
On a rebellious.
Can't call it so.
What you call it?
Same thing you call it. Vendetta.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Saying?
So I can't get your mask.
So no, they have to mash down the system then, line.
When you say mash down the system, what do you mean?
To change what the status quo. And to do it your way and to make it yours.
I really plan for change.
Instead of being impacted by the system, you will dictate the pace. You will set the tone.
We love to do that.
Yes.
As long as we love to do that. But everything does take time. You can't really rush a thing. As long as you can't just come in and just change up everything.
So do you respect those before you in dancehall and reggae? That they did something to set the platform for you?
But I'm I respect who they before me.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like them I try turn people against me and I try.
Unlike many in the industry, Alkaline stayed independent. He rarely did interviews, letting the music speak. Fans loved him for his mystery and raw authenticity. With fame came criticism. Many compared him to Vybz Kartel, accusing him of copying. But Alkaline kept moving forward, dropping hit after hit like After All and Pretty Girl Team.
Ask you in the first interview if you're inspired by the world boss, Cartel.
I'm inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired by people.
You say he wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by people.
That's what you said then?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back?
No, I'm going to take back not that.
Have you revised that?
No.
You don't?
No, he's a good artist. What do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it.
When me borrow?
Such as your...
Me my own clothes, me everything.
Your...
What do you mean?
Okay.
What you talk, man?
All right, sir.
No borrow no.
I'll give you that one.
Your
eyeball, and you accept and willingly say you did, and you did it to get attention.
Yeah.
He went as far as saying...
Which other artist in the dancehall space was brave enough, otherwise, apart from him? To do certain things.
I can't think of any.
So that's why I guess there is a comparison. So would you give that artist copyright to courage? I think that's what you're doing.
No, I'm not doing
And controversy.
No. I'm just asking a question. If you're inspired at all by the great Vybz Kartel, and you're saying no, not at all. He's just like a normal, everyday artist.
No, man, he's a great artist, man. Don't get me wrong, man.
Yeah.
I respect him just like I respect every other artist in dancehall. Because I don't want people to feel like, say, oh, you tolerate nobody. No, man, I respect everybody in the dancehall space. But people just want me to, I don't know. I don't know.
All right.
In 2016, his debut album New Level Unlocked topped the Billboard reggae chart, making history. Alkaline's influence goes beyond music. He paved the way for younger artists to be bold, strategic, and self-made. His 2021 album Top Prize proved he was still on top. With millions of streams and loyal supporters worldwide, Alkaline remains one of dancehall's most powerful voices. Alkaline changed the game. His story is still being written. But one thing is clear, he's not just part of dancehall. He's shaping its future.
It going good, more than bad.
All right, so everybody I wonder what's behind this 2016 thing. So make people know what going with the 2016. What that mean?
I'm not going to roll out. The year so done. 2015 I come up now. So that means I have like actually one more year to go. So let's go and wait, man. Go and roll out.